If you love natural remedies and enjoy a warm cup of tea, making your own organic herbal teas at home is one of the simplest ways to support your health. And the easiest way to start is by growing your own herbs with the Medicinal Garden Kit, which comes with high-quality seeds of healing plants you can use for fresh organic teas. Check the link in the description to get yours today. Herbal teas have been used for centuries for their soothing and healing properties. A single cup can help you relax, ease digestion, boost immunity, improve sleep, and even calm inflammation, all without the preservatives or artificial flavors you often find in store-bought teas. The process is quick and simple. Choose your herbs, like chamomile for relaxation, peppermint for digestion, or echinacea for immunity. Harvest them fresh, rinse gently, and brew by adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried herbs, or a little more if fresh, into a cup of hot water. Let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. You can even experiment with blends like chamomile, lavender, and lemon balm for relaxation, or peppermint, ginger, and fennel for digestion. Making herbal tea at home is more than just a drink, it's a daily ritual of wellness. And with the Medicinal Garden Kit, you'll always have your own organic herbs ready to brew. Start your herbal journey today and taste the difference of fresh, homegrown teas. Grab your kit through the link in the description and begin brewing your wellness, one cup at a time.